G'day guys, Seemyshell here, the Aussie Geocacher. Time for a multi-cache. What is a multi-cache? Let's see. G'day guys, you've seen those little orange dots on your map. They are called multi-caches now. What is a multi-cache? A multi-cache includes at least one additional stage before the final physical stage containing the container and the logbook. The posted coordinates for a multi-cache are always the first stage. At each stage, the geocacher gathers information that leads them to the next stage or possibly the final. So in these stages, they could be physical, they could be virtual. You go to the location, you'll either find a container of some sort, which will give you coordinates. It could give you a bit of a puzzle, a bit of a mystery. You could do some maths. Or you can go and find something that's physically always there, such as a billboard or an information board or a plaque. So right here is actually one of my personal multi-caches that I've placed out there. A lot of questions I get is, what's this? Is this like high school maths? Do I have to learn the FOIL method again? No, no, no. All you're looking for the actual coordinate numbers. So if you've got the hours and the minutes and you're after the seconds, it's got point, and then it may have like A plus B in brackets. That's one number. And then it might have E and then A minus C or whatever, and that's the third number. So you don't have to add them all together. You don't have to go back to high school maths. It's a lot simpler than that. I think they call it bodmas. Normally there's no bodmas. We're not that smart. All right, let's go back out into the field and I'll show you this one that I found just the other day. We have actually two waypoints. Waypoint 1, that sign there. Waypoint 2, follow me around, that sign over there. And then waypoint 3 for this one is the actual container. Let's go find it. Okay guys, waypoint 1 is just over this way. Come follow me. Waypoint 1 talks about a sign. This sign talks about building the local jail. Get some details and some numbers off this sign, put them in your little checker, and go from there off to sign number 2. After getting details of sign number 1, it's off to sign number 2. Sign number 2, this one here. Numbers done. Calculations complete, and it's time for the cache. So guess what guys, that's right, GZ cache in hand, little bison tube, very cool indeed. But have a look at the places in which it takes you. Come around this way and have a look this way as well. What an absolutely gorgeous, stunning location. And all this was due to a multi. That's right. People are scared of multis. Don't be scared of multis. Multis are an adventure. Yes, you only get one number out of it. And yes, it may take you a lot longer than traditionals. But you know what? Sometimes it's more about the places and the adventure than it is the numbers. But I'll leave that up to you. Comment down below, guys, how far down the list are multis on your stats? I can guarantee they're pretty low. A lot of people are. Multis, guys, don't be scared of them and do them now. Don't forget, guys, if you like these videos, make sure you use that subscribe button and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I do a new video. Meanwhile, I've got to get this log signed and on to the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm over and out. Look at this view. This